everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, today I've got Joann's Wedding Decor clearance sale. You heard it right. So please leave any questions or comments below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and what? Subscribe. Joann's is having a clearance sale. Clearance, you hear me? Look at that. Votive candles, gold, $5.47, so $6. They got a 6-pack. These are all 6-packs right here. They got them back there in the rose gold too. Okay, so look at that, all $5.47. But here's the part that gets me. Okay, $5.47 for a 6-pack, right? Now look over here. Now these are clear. Right here, the clear ones, they have 12 in the $5.47. They are having a massive clearance sale on wedding decor. So if you're a bride, if you're planning a wedding for next year, you need to stock up now, because all of these are so neutral. You know, if you're going to have gold or you're going to have white or you're going to have an accent color, I mean, this will go with anything if you're going to work it with an accent color, okay? So this is everything. I mean, everything I picked up was either $7, $5. Look at this. The glasses, $7.47. Okay? Everything. You need invitations, they've got them. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Everything they have is just beautiful. Look at this sash. Oh, is this not beautiful? Look at this. This is gorgeous. This work with the right dress would set it off, okay? If you work that with the right dress, that would be spectacular right there. Now here goes some more accessories. So they have a cards and gift stand, like on a plexiglass on a wooden stand. I don't think I've ever seen that at a wedding, but I like it. Okay, $7.47. What I'm saying, everything's either $5 or $7. So if you are prepping for a wedding, you need to get here and stock up now. So if you're a wedding planner, if you know a wedding planner, you need to tell her about this clearance sale so she can get over here and get these things for her customers or her future customers. She can use these next year, okay? Look at this. They're pretty neutral. You could pretty much use them and just, you know, pair it with the right accent color. Now I love this sign right here. Let love grow. And it was solid wood. That is nice. I just happened to be in Joann's and I was like, let me go over here and see what they've got in clearance. And they've got the whole aisle on both sides with nothing but wedding accessories. Look at this sash, $5.47. Or banner, excuse me. I still got that sash on my brain because it was so beautiful. And these little pew clips for the end of the pews. Did it say 25 cents? It said 25 cents. They're giving those away. Look at these. These are beautiful. Clearance. And I mean, they have different thank you cards, different invitation cards. Look at that. Save the date cards. 25 in a pack, $3.97. 25 in a pack, $3.97. $4. You can make a killing if you came and got these things today, because they are, I guarantee you, I'm going to go back in there later this week because it's on my way home. I'm just going to go in there and check it out and see if they still have these items there. They've got everything you'll need for a wedding. Okay, well, you see this little sign here? A friend of mine had that at her wedding reception. When everybody came into the reception, they signed the little board. So that was really cute. And they actually had it framed later on. They still have it displayed in their house. So look at this. This is the guest book. Now this guest book would go with any decor you have. This is such a neutral one, but it is beautiful. That is very nice. Oh, and they had little individual votive candles for $1.97. So basically $2. When you can buy the 6-pack for $5.47. That is so nice. Now they've got these little favor bags, some little cascading lights. These would be very nice if you're doing the decorating for either the wedding or the bridal shower. That would be really nice. Definitely check those out. They did have some DIY things, but I'm not that girl. So in case you are. And they actually had some bridal games for the shower. These are very cute. I'm just saying, you might want to get over to Joann's and check it out. If you know someone that's getting married either this year or next year, you might want to take her over there and see what she can stock up on before this clearance is over with. And here's some little favor boxes too. I don't think there's that many in there, but maybe like 8 or 10. And they had the bridal koozie for her drink. That was cute. And if you're planning like a bridal shower, like sleepover or something like that, these little masks were adorable. $3.97 for a little sleep mask. They just had so many deals in here. This is the thing I love. These little travel bags right here for the bridal shower. You have got to check these out. That right there is so adorable. I am so sorry for the noise, but they were here stocking, so it was really loud. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Joann's Wedding Decor clearance sale. Please leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and what? Subscribe. We'll see you next time.